All right. So we're going to start first by explaining a little bit what I did. I ended up creating a plugin. It's actually very similar to the plugin that already exists, which I thought it was broken. But anyways, let me get back to it. So Vonage 2FA. So my thought process was I wanted to make sure that people were able to use Vonage as their two-factor authentication, and then they could use if they want to verify through a text, through email, through WhatsApp, or any of the authentication options that we have. I was able to get the SMS working. For WhatsApp, I need a WhatsApp business account, and I didn't have enough time to do that, but that would be probably the next implementation after this. But I'll let you know how it's working so far. So here's my API key. Here's my secret. I will be deleting these after this video. Let's do SMS. I'm going to save the changes, and I want to test the API. So there it is. It's connected. If I were to put something else in here and save it and test it, it should fail. There it is. And so I'm going to save it again and test it. There it is. So I'm going to now authenticate by I'm going to log in over here. Actually, let me log out, and I'm going to log in with my other account, which I already put my phone number under the admin. Let me do that real quick. So if I go under users and then here and I scroll down, this is where I would activate it by putting that I want SMS and then my phone number. And then here's where I enable the two-factor authentication. Save the user, log out. Now I'm going to log in as the other user and two-factor auth. So it's going to be sending me a text message. I've received my text message. So, and there it is. I am officially logged in. So a couple things that I would want to add down the road, like I said, would probably be the WhatsApp. Around 90% of users in Latin America use WhatsApp, and I actually work with a e-commerce store in Argentina, and I think that this would be a great feature for them to have instead of having multiple authentication apps and stuff like that. WhatsApp is pretty secure, and on top of that, it's a pretty well-known uh, messenger app, and so message app, and so that is my demo. And thank you very much.